If an invoice was only partially paid in the past by using the short pay option, the remaining balance can be paid separately once this amount is received. First, navigate to the Payments menu and start by choosing the location and the account you wish to work with. Make sure the invoice status is set to open so that you can view all open invoices with the remaining balance. Choose the invoice that you wish to work with. We'll be working with invoice number 1893, and we can see that the invoice was only partially paid, and there is a remaining balance due. Start by entering the payment amount and selecting the payment method. Select your payment date and enter the reference ID. We'll next click Apply in the row of the invoice that we want to apply the payment to. And we can see that the payment amount is now in the Amount to Apply field. If the amount being applied to the invoice is less than the total amount, the Short Pay button must be used. This is because it is not the total open balance of the invoice. For more information on applying a short pay, please watch our tutorial video on short pay payments. Next, click the Save Payments button. Note that the invoice that was paid is no longer listed in the open invoices.